It is advisable that most men don't know how to make their wives reach orgasm, which is very bad. You have to make your wife reach orgasm. A woman you have lived with for many years, you have to know how to kiss her. Is it kissing that drives her crazy? Is it touching her breast that drives her crazy? Is it fingering her that drives her crazy? And I want to ask a question. Why is it that men, you would like a woman to suck you and you not like to suck that woman? Yes, am I being wrong? I'm sorry. The truth must be told. I've come to see that complaints I have in my team today that yes, I will put my head on my husband. He will tell you, woman, remove that thing. I need to sleep. You will just want to relax on him. He will tell you, madam, please rest now. And when the woman is feeling you, do you give it to her? How do you make this woman reach her organism? If she's the type that like kissing, give it to her. Make sure you play with her before you knock her. It will make that woman to release on time. It will make that woman to love you the more. Help her to more. When a woman mourn for you, you know that you have reached the organism. Yes. When she just mourn for you, you know that she have really reached organism. Is it the type that like you to suck her breasts, touch her nipples? Do it to her. Don't just be the type of man that only want to satisfy himself, also to satisfy this woman. Be the type that always like you to finger her. Finger her. Do it to her. Make her to reach organism. Give her what he wants. That is your duty as a man. Make her till she mourn for you, till she called you my love during the nagging. I love you. I can't compare anything with you. What we have most broken home today is that some men don't know their work. It's not every woman that can handle a man on bed. It is not mostly their work. The work of a man is to knock the woman. Know how to knock a woman so that the woman will reach her organism. Get it in deeper. Kiss her if she likes it. Give her kissing. If she likes you sucking her, suck her. If she likes you fingering her, finger her. Do it very well. Use this your toe, your big hand to finger her. Do it very well. Do it up, down, slowly. And you will see the woman releasing her legs. But it's very bad that most men don't know how to touch their wife. They don't know how to finger her. Don't know how to kiss her. These are the things that you will do. A woman will reach her organism and she will not feel anymore. Because when you didn't allow a woman to reach her organism, she will feel more. She will be feeling more. So men, please help our women to reach organism so that we can love you more. Thank you.